guys, today's video is going to be on this girl next door look, which is very dewy and very effortless and focuses on the skin. First of all, we're going to hydrate our lips first. I'm just using a lip balm here. And then we're going to give our skin some hydration. I'm just using a dewy primer here. And when it comes to primer or skincare, I prefer to use a dabbing instead of rubbing lotion. Next, I'm going to put on some dewy foundations, and in case any of you are wondering, this is a BB cushion, and I'm just applying the foundation using the applicator that comes with it. And a little update for you guys is that I don't like this foundation at all, because after a couple hours it breaks apart on my skin. And I'd also like to explain that in this video I'm not going to mention any of the product names, because I want to focus more on the techniques. And I'd also like to encourage all of you to use the old products that you already have. But don't worry, I'll still list everything in the description box down below. And then I'm going to put on some concealers under my eyes and on my lids. And here I am trying to blend out the concealers using a beauty sponge, which is too red, and as you can see I'm struggling here, but I still continue because I really want it to work. But I end up blending out my concealers using the sponge that came with my BB cushion. Now we're going to draw on some natural brows. First, I'm just using a spoolie which is already coated with some bar soap to brush through the hairs on my eyebrows. I know I tried to make her mine. And then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using an ashy dark brown brow pencil. After completely filling in my eyebrows, I'm going to brush through them one more time using the spoolie. Lots and lots of time, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find. And then I'm going to add some warm brown matte eyeshadow to the crease to add a little bit of something to the eyes. And then I'm going to elongate my eyes by drawing a wing only at the end of my eyes using a matte dark brown. To brighten up the inner corners and the brow bones, we can use a satin bone color, preferably not too shimmery so that it could be as natural as possible.
That you are so hard to find.
To bring the look back to life but still keeping it pretty natural, I'm going to use a cream blush. First of all, I'm going to apply it using my ring finger, and then I'll go in with a sponge. For highlighting, you might want to choose a highlight with a wet formula instead of a glittery one because we want to achieve that kind of lit from within glow. After applying my highlight, I did apply some dewy setting spray on my face, but I am not showing you in this video. For the lips, you can just choose any nude lipsticks that you want and apply it by using your fingers and dabbing it all over your lips. I'm not being precise at all in this step because I want to achieve that smudge lips kind of look. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like and subscribe to me if you haven't already, and see you.